Hey y'all, good morning. We're making the banana pudding cupcakes today. I got the silicone molds from Amazon. I got those popsicle sticks with the holes in it from Amazon, and I am using a size 6 Eco Wick today for this. I ran out of glue, and I don't make cupcake candles, and I really wanted to try to make a candle instead of a wax melt. And so I had some double-sided tape, and so that's what I'm using to tape down. I don't suggest you use it. The tape is pretty weak. It didn't work well, but I guess it worked for what I needed it for. This is my Pro Blend 600 wax that I'm using. I got that from Flaming Candle. Just put a little bit of brown dye in it in order to get the color I was looking for. If you're looking to learn how to make the banana embeds or the vanilla wafer embeds, I did do another video that shows you how to do that, and that's on the banana pudding candle video, so you can go back and watch that. I think I ran out of wax here, and I was just going to get some more wax and pour. And so that's what I'm doing now, just pouring the bases for that. And it was actually pretty warm in the studio, so, and I'm very impatient, so I didn't really let it completely mold all the way. Anyways, this is also Pro Blend 600 that I'm using, and I broke out the hand mixer, so that's what I'm doing, just mixing that so that I can put it inside of my piping bag. I got the very big piping bag from Amazon. I did link it in one of the other videos that I did. I really have a problem linking things to my videos. I gotta do better, y'all. Anyways, I am not great at this, but I actually was kind of proud of myself. Look at me whipping those tops. I actually got this idea from another young lady who was in the candle group. I really can't think of her name, but I had been trying to do the tops of my cupcakes while on top of the actual mold, and it doesn't work very well. So doing it this way on top of the wax paper and then sticking a skewer in it works so much better. I really wish that I had waited for the wax to stiffen just a little bit more because it was so warm in the house, or the studio rather. It just made it a little bit looser than I would have liked. But anyways, I'm just adding crumbles to the top while it's still wet. And I'm going to add the skewers to it, as well as the embed. So I put some of them, I put a couple of bananas, and then some I put all of the wafers I put in them. I just kind of wanted to see what the look looked like. And I'm using my camera to film. I got this new like holder, and it's like not my camera. I'm using my phone to film and not my camera. So I did not realize that I was supposed to turn it the other way. So sorry for the video aspects. Hopefully it will work itself out in the next video. But as you can see, if you just wait a little bit, you can put the skewers in it and it's just going to stand right up. And I really ended up liking the end look of this candle. It worked out very well. Couple of things that I would tweak, but that's it. I mean, for a first go round, I am not going to complain. And again, I didn't like the bananas in all of them, so I didn't really put them in all of them. I was just trying to figure out if I actually wanted to add it. And then I just stuck them in the freezer for just a little bit because it was so warm in here, and I wanted to finish this video as quick as I could. And I'm going to use a paint scraper to remove it from the wax film, which you don't have to, but I removed it a little prematurely. And now I'm just popping those right out, and as you can see, they popped right out without a problem. Very little residue in the bottom of those silicone molds, so I really do like those. Again, you can find those on Amazon. I think it was fairly inexpensive. Now I'm just hitting the top with my heat gun, and because you already put the holes in there, it was just so easy to put on top, and then I didn't have to try to whip that wax around the wick, it was just such an easier process, and I really like it this way. So I'm very glad that that young lady shared her video. I did not watch her video on YouTube. I actually watched it in the group, so I don't know who she is. If I do find her video again, I will credit her, but I really appreciate her sharing that. And that's really it. I'm going to add a little bit of drizzle once I'm done attaching all the tops. I also have a video on how to make the crumbles as well. And I'm actually making some right now. And I got my eye on that pan before it stiffens too fast. And I got one big block of wax. Oh, and then sometimes if you don't put the skewer all the way through, you have to kind of find that hole, and I was having difficulty there, as you can see. And I hope you're able to get a closer view. Yeah, I adjust the camera just a little bit. All right, now we're going to add the drizzle on top of these cupcakes. And I did not use any gel wax. I just used the regular, what I had left of the Pro Blend 600. Just drizzled a little on top. Almost kind of looked like a caramel or a butterscotch type of drizzle. And that is it, guys. I thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to check out any of my products, you can find them on theninatreatment.com. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Have a good day.